protesters in the streets and on social media continue to demand an end to racism and racial injustice since the death of George Floyd. But over the past 49 days, some have struggled with how to help or what action to take next. Our Danya Backus reports on one group trying to get all Americans to be part of the change.
In the days after George Floyd's death,
Black Lives Matter!
Multiracial crowds poured into streets around the nation in protest of social injustice. Erin Haney understands the outrage.
There's no such thing as not racist. We need you to be anti-racist.
She's the director of Showing Up for Racial Justice, also known as SURJ, a multiracial activist organization committed to anti-racism. They focus on calling in white people to support racial justice and work in alliance with Black and people of color-led organizations.
I think it's really important that all of the work for racial justice is grounded in the vision of Black leaders in this country. And we know that white silence is one of the greatest barriers to winning that transformative vision that folks have set.
With 125 chapters across the country and world, SURJ is predominantly led by white people who are having hard conversations with other white people about race and injustice.
Racism isn't a Black issue, it's a white issue. We need to be organizing amongst ourselves to do the internal work.
Adam Smith is an organizer for the Los Angeles SURJ chapter, White People for Black Lives. In addition to political activism, they help host monthly dialogues and an annual Unmasking Whiteness Institute.
For white folks, it's important for us to think of this fight as a fight in solidarity, right? Not a fight in charity, like solidarity, not charity.
Justice!
Both Haney and Smith say they're working to channel people's feelings of "I just want to do something" into useful action. And they're hopeful this moment will continue to fuel a movement for lasting change. Danya Backus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Important